In the park, Ali proudly presents his new toy car to Fatima, his face glowing with joy. Fatima responds with warmth, her words echoing through the park. "That's a wonderful car, Ali. I'm so happy for you." Ali's smile fades slightly as he looks away and admits, "Thank you, Fatima, but Ahmed doesn't have any toys." Fatima nods in agreement, her expression thoughtful as she realizes, "You're right. Ahmed often seems lonely." Ali and Fatima stroll down the sun-drenched street, their faces alight with animated discussion. The lively sounds of children playing and distant traffic fill the air around them. Ali's eyes sparkle with excitement as he shares his plan. "I know. Let's let him play with my new car. He'll love that." Fatima nods in agreement, her smile warm and encouraging. "Yes, that's a great idea, Ali. Sharing is caring, and it's always good to be kind." Ali and Fatima stand before Ahmed's door, anticipation filling the air as their knuckles knock. The door bursts open to reveal Ahmed's stunned face. Ali's invitation rings out with youthful exuberance. "Ahmed, come play with us. We brought the toy car." Ahmed's face fills with joy as he gratefully exclaims, "Wow, thank you. That's so kind of you both." Fatima gently reminds him with genuine affection. "That's what friends do, Ahmed. We care about each other." Ali's impatience bubbles over as he urges, "Let's go. Let's start playing together."